The Step 3D engine for OrCAD and Allegro PCB editor has been upgraded. Here are some of the new features. Like before, you can render superb 3D images of your design at any time. These shots are great for marketing material and brochures, as well as first visualizations of your new products. You can now run a real-time clash detect in the PCB design software rather than waiting on an MCAD engineer to run the clash detect based on imported covers or enclosures to check your placement earlier in the design process. The list shows all the places where components have hit the enclosure or other parts. When we interrogate the list, a blue diamond appears over the offending component, and clicking Locate makes the component flash 5 times to give you an easier way to find the offending part. In this instance, we want the LEDs to stick out, but the enclosure has not yet had the cutouts created to allow them to clear the cover, hence the clash. We now have the ability to peel back layers one by one or all together. On the underside, we have imported a step model of the DDR memory board and placed it in the DIMM connector. As we zoom in, we get a detailed look at the routing and placement. This makes the layer peel back even more useful. Another useful feature is the ability to cross-probe, select the component or tracks and have them highlighted in PCB Editor. You also get your standard top, bottom and side views, but more importantly a net selection tool that simply shows one net in 3D. You also get the component render for individual part inspection. The Cadence Step 3D tool is found in all levels of the OrCAD and Allegro PCB Editor. It also exports to all major mechanical CAD tools in step format. This is an ongoing project at Cadence to get really useful 3D tools to help you design your boards with greater accuracy and confidence.